Accepting a next train order. A next train order may be delivered while travelling on your initial order. The next order will be presented as a proposed order, represented by a grey border. To return to your current order, press the left arrow. To go to the next proposed order, press the right arrow. To accept the next order, press F1. A confirmation window will be provided. To confirm order acceptance, press the tick. Or press the cross to cancel the acceptance process. An hourglass is displayed while order acceptance is processed. The next order's border will turn green when processed. To return to your current order, press the left arrow. Proceed from your current order to the next order without stopping. This completes the Accepting a Next Order Electronic Authorities module.